This is AMG to get. What do you guys think of the sound? Let me know in the descriptions. CLA 45 AMG, magnificent rear, CLA 45 inscription on the right, Mercedes center, AMG on the left, gorgeous rear diffuser, AMG night package, aero package, high gloss black elements, twin 5-spoke rims, 19-inch rims, sitting on Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, perforated brakes, black AMG rims. Size on these tires 255/35 R19. These are 19-inch rims. Turbo 4matic Plus on the side right here. High gloss black side mirror housings. Multi-beam LED lights at the front. Single eyebrow on those LED lights. Mercedes emblem at the center, active distance Distronic. AMG badging on the left hand side, sensors on the grille itself, large intakes on the CLA 45 AMG, high gloss black elements around it, AMG power domes at the top. It's a very aggressive, very magnificent, sporty baby AMG. This is not the entry-level AMG. We have an A35. I also have a CLA 35. Make sure you check out those videos. Let's take a look at the interior. Before we do that, one quick walk around. Appreciate the design on the rear. Spoiler affixed on the trunk. Glass panorama moonroof. I'm gonna start the car. Pull the key right here. Hold down the paddle shifter. Press the brake. And press the start button. Go listen to the engine. What do you guys think of the sound? Let me know in the descriptions. Take a look at the back area. Let's take it back to the parking. Turn off the AC. Go to home. You can check out the menu options. You have phone, navigation, radio, media, comfort, AMG Performance, settings and apps. Let's go into the AMG Performance. Look at the vehicle data. You can articulate your screen to go full screen. Go back to vehicle. Check out the engine. Love this view. Let's get rid of that reserve fuel. Spot knob right here. Starting at the top, you have slippery mode. The icon is a snowflake. individual mode, comfort, sport, and sport plus. I love the sport plus look. And then this other control option has your manual mode or eco on and off. I'll put it on disengage manual mode for your paddle shifters. Very good view angle. Everything is within reach on this CLA 45. Up here you have reading lights and your SOS, as well as your sunroof closing, sun visors. They do have a light at the top, that's your sun visor. You have speakers up here for your voice activated systems. Hey Mercedes,
how may I help you?
I'm hot.
I'm setting the temperature on the driver's side to minimum.
As you can tell, the system is able to detect where the passenger is seated and adjust the temperature. Disengage parking is right here. I'm going to turn off the AC. And really appreciate the view on this CLA 45. I'm going to show you guys the 360-degree camera. I'm going to engage the drive. Put it back. There is another CLA 45 right here. Check out the links in the description if you want to get it. Let's park this. The CLA 45, if you don't know, it's a 2-liter inline 4. It's the most powerful 4-cylinder production car in the market right now. There's an even more powerful CLA 45S, which produces 421 horses. Now this CLA 45 produces 382 horses. I'll engage the parking brake. It's on Sport Plus. Man. Oh boy. It lets loose quick, even without. So responsive, actually.
Yeah.
It feels a different type of style. I mean, the steering wheel feels like it's pulling it whichever direction you want to go.
The faster you go, the tighter the steering gets.
Oh, I can feel that. I mean, so if I'm going slower, it's not as tight. It's very loose. This is an AMG to get. I think it drives different than the 35 for sure. I mean, it's like, could probably take this guy pretty quick.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely loose. I don't want you to pour all your drink on yourself. I just love the steering wheel, man. It's very compact. It's not. I'm gonna open this guy and hear it. But the wind, though, let's see. 19-inch rims, it's so that's pretty much Sport Plus. Let's go to Sport. It's not as responsive, but this is boring. Comfort, individual and slippery. Man, I'm on a high right now. I don't know.